See children, so the next one we have in the word search only. Next one, amma, make sentences with the following phrasal verbs. Make sentences with the following phrasal verbs. So here they have given phrasal verbs. So with that we should frame the sentences. You may change their tense if required. Phrasal verb means a verb with preposition, we get it, ma. A verb with preposition. So here that verb tense you can change it. Present tense, past tense, like this we get, na. So instead of based on the sentence you can change the verb tense of the verb. Okay children. Now see the first one, what do we have? Come over. First one, what do we have, ma? Come over. So come over. Here come is the verb, over is the preposition. So phrasal verb we call it come over. Come over means it here. So here we can write Sita is coming over. Then we can write the sentence Sita is coming over to the party. Sita is coming over to the party. Okay. So here come over we have used as coming over. Come over you have used as coming over. Okay children. Like this we can change the tense of the verb also. Okay. So come over means here we can write the sentence. By using this one sentence we should write na. So Sita is coming over to the party. Okay. And next one, see the second one, what do we have? Break into. Second one we have break into. Break into. Break into, we can write the answer. Break into means to do the thefting like this. So then we can write a thief broke into the house. A thief broke into the house. So that means he did some robbery in the house. Okay, that we call it break into. That we can write broke also. It's completed means we can write broke into. Okay children. Break into means a thief broke into the house. A thief broke into the house. So that means he did some robbery in that house. Okay Nana. And see the third one, what do we have? What do we have, ma? That is get back. We have next one, get back. Get back. Get back. For this you can write, yes, to coming back. Get back means we can write to coming back. So answer sentence we can write, the nurse will get back. The nurse will get back to us. Will get back to us. Will get back to us with the lab results. With the lab results. So coming back again, that we can call it get back. So come with information and come back. Okay, next one. Next one, what do we have? A fourth one, break off. Break into is there, that means to do some robbery. Break off. Break off. So break off, that is break off means to avoid or to stop. To avoid or to stop. Okay. So it is not easy. It is not easy to break off. It is not easy to break off. To break off the bad habit. To break off a bad habit. Any bad habit, can you stop it immediately? Can you change yourself immediately? No, you cannot avoid it. So that we cannot avoid or we cannot stop it immediately. That we can call it, or it's difficult to change it. So that we can call it break off. Okay. So next one, what do we have? Ma? Fifth one, breakdown. Next one we have breakdown. Next one we have breakdown. So here breakdown means that is some missions to stop work. So some problem happened in the missionary. So they are not working. Even my car was break down while going to village. Okay, so it's a stop. Some missionary problem may happen and it's a stop. That we can write it breakdown. Okay, children. So write the sentence for this. Men are left idle. Men are left idle. Idle means without any work. When machines break down. When machines break down. When machines break down. So these people are idle. They have no work. Yes. In the factories, machines are not working means for the workers, do they have any work? No. That we can write it breakdown. Okay, must see this. Come over. Come over means come in short time like this. Sita is coming over to the party. Sita is coming over to the party. And next one, break into. Break into means do some robbery. A thief break into the house. A thief break into the house. And next one, get back. Get back. So the nurse will get back to us with lab reports. The lab results. So the get back means the nurse will get back to us with the lab results. So with any other, with the information they come back. Break off. Break off means to avoid or to stop something not easy. So that is a difficult to avoid. That kind of one we can call it break off. It is not easy to break off a bad habit. So easy to that one to stop it, to come over to understand? No. So it is not easy to break off a bad habit. And break down. Break down means men are left idle when machines break down. Men are left idle when machines break down. So if there is no, in the factories machines are not working means there is no work for employees also. So then they kept idle. They sat quietly without any work. Okay, children. So like this we can write in these phrasal verbs. So not only these, so many are there in future, so many you will get. But for your spoken language, phrasal verbs are very, very important. Okay, ma? These phrasal verbs are very important. You should learn all these things clearly. Okay, for spoken language, if you use this, very useful to you. That's why learn these phrasal verbs. Okay, children. So learn these. First write these in your book and learn these. Okay, ma? See, children, so the next one we have writing skills. So writing skills here we have, what do we have here? Paste the picture of Gandhiji. We have read the lesson about Gandhiji only, na? That's why we should paste the picture of Gandhiji and write about the moments he led to achieve the independence of India. He did so many moments, na? So that we should write it. Why he did the movements to get the independence to India from the Britishers. So we were under the British rule up to 1947. So in that he did so many movements, especially from 1921 only he did so many movements, 1920, 21 onwards. So whatever the movements that we should write here. So all of you paste the picture in the given place. And now I am telling whatever the movements we have. Okay, children, write the answer. The major movements led by Mahatma Gandhi are what are those? First one is Champaran movement. Champaran. Champaran movement. It is in 1917. Actually he participated in this, but he started, but 1920 onwards he became the main leader also. So okay, see this Champaran movement in Bihar was the was the first active involvement of Gandhi. Involvement of Gandhiji. Involvement of Gandhi in the Indian freedom struggle. In the Indian freedom struggle. In the Indian freedom struggle. Okay, children. And that is a one. And the next one is Kheda movement. Next one is Khera movement in 1918. Next one is Kheda movement in 1918. Years when it was happened, I am writing in the bracket, write down. And Khilafat movement 1919. Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement in 1919. Next one, non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement in 1920. In 1920. And Quit India movement. Quit India movement yes, movement M capital letter you should write, ma. So here also movement. Quit India movement. Quit India movement in 1942, Nana. 1942 and 1945. Quit India movement in 1945. And next one, civil disobedience. Civil disobedience. Civil disobedience movement. So under this we have civil disobedient movement. Under this we have Dandi March. Dandi March. In the civil disobedience movement only we have Dandi March and Gandhi-Irvine Pact. And Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Gandhi-Irvine Pact. So these happened under his rule, under his guidance, under his leadership in the India independence movement. Okay, so these are the main movements he had done. What are the major movements led by Mahatma Gandhi are Champaran movement in 1917 in Bihar was the first active involvement of Gandhiji in the Indian freedom struggle. And next, Kheda movement in 1918, Khilafat movement in 1919, non-cooperation movement in 1920, Quit India movement in 1945. 42 it started, 45 majorly it happened, and civil disobedience movement, that is in that Dandi March and Gandhi-Irvine Pact. So these he had done under this. Okay, children. So these are the main movements he had done in his under his leadership. That is in the India independence movement. He had started these movements. Okay, children. All the people participated and supported him also to get India's independence. Okay, Nana. So write this one in your book, all of you. See, children. So the last topic in this lesson, a letter from prison. So what do we have in this life skill part? Discuss why it is more important to follow Gandhiji's principles today. Yes, so many principles we have from Gandhiji. Na? So what is the importance to follow those principles? When many nations are facing unrest and violence in various forms. Yes, all the countries, if we see unrest and violence, they are not non-violence part, right? But why should we follow his principles? Do you think that we need a great leader like Gandhiji today? Name the main points and discuss in the class. Yes. So can you collect the main points about it? Already I told you. First and foremost about you only. Yes, education system. So does he like the regular education system? No. What did he dislike first? Yes, examination system. He disliked examination system. Na? You also feel happy, na? Yes, but here, so you collect some information. You think that we need a great leader like Gandhiji today. Do we need like this the person or not? Yes, obviously. So name the main points and discuss them in the class. So what are those points you needed from him, especially for nowadays society? That we can discuss. So that's why once again you read the lesson and you collect some more information also about Gandhiji. And then in the next week class we can discuss about Gandhiji. Okay, in the class I'll give time to you. All of you should prepare for that. Okay, children, do this one.